Namaskaram. Today I would like to share my experiences with Isha Yoga with all of you. I did Shambhavi Mahamudra inner engineering program soon after my daughter was born. I thought I was overweight and I needed to reduce some weight. So I went into the program, but moment I went into the program, I thought, why are people revering some man's picture? Sadhguru was not around physically, but I was like quite surprised. Why are they all talking so greatly about him? But I won't say I didn't like it. I went along with the program, and the seventh day we were all initiated and we were given the diksha, and something within me happened at that time. So I was able to sit still after a long time. I was never able to sit still. I was always moving and very hyperactive, but I was able to sit still and close my eyes and meditate even without watching others. Earlier I would try to do meditation on my own, but whenever I closed my eyes I used to just try to open and look at other people. But this class made me sit at peace and meditate. So that was a great achievement for me. So I kept up with my practices diligently. I did the 6 months. For 6 months you're supposed to do it continuously, and for 40 days you're supposed to do it twice a day. So I kept up with it very well, and I saw a lot of changes within me happening. And after that we moved to South America. So I thought it is a great opportunity, even though I didn't like the move because my husband got an opportunity, job opportunity over there, but I wanted to live in India. But still, because people scared me a lot, saying that Central America is a very dangerous country, there's a lot of mugging over there, and it's still there's a lot of crime happening. But moment I went there, I didn't know a single word of Spanish, and but the local people were so loving and so protective of me. I think when you meditate, people can start feeling your energy. So whatever energy you give to them, they give it back to you. So I could feel Sadhguru's presence wherever I went. And since I kept with my practices, I had done the advanced practices also after the Shambhavi Mahamudra program. So after that, wherever I went, I used to go to some scenic places, the mountains and the rivers. So whenever I saw them, something within me would just explode. And I am not able to tell that feeling to you, because I would feel, even the flower and the leaf and the mountains and everything in the universe is part of me. And I used to just burst with joy. So such kind of ecstatic experiences happened to me because of this Isha Yoga practices that I kept doing. I often would go and volunteer in III because Guatemala, I wouldn't say it's very close to US. You have to go to Miami and then travel to Atlanta and then take a road trip to III. But somehow Sadhguru will make it happen for me. I would get some cheap tickets. Somewhere my husband would arrange the money, and whenever I had a deep longing, Sadhguru will make it happen. Everything will fall in place. Even when I wanted to do samyama, my children were very young at that time. But I had such a lovely maid that I forgot totally about everything. For 15 days she took such good care of my children, and my friends helped giving food, and she also would cook, and I knew that they were in the most productive hands, and I was able to do samyama very well. I had several opportunities, but the first time I met Sadhguru was in III only, in physically. I had connected with him through meditation much before, but physically I met him in III. Moment I saw him, I just couldn't control my tears at all, and I was like sobbing for hours together. Not really when he's around. Like once I was volunteering in Chicago for an inner engineering program, and I was in the volunteers desk in the reception, and the Sadhguru was walking behind us, but I didn't see, but I could feel a strong energy that was coming, and I was just sobbing uncontrollably. Then I knew that Sadhguru was coming. So several experiences like that have happened, and whenever I wanted to see him physically, he would make sure. I always used to yearn, why did you put me in such a place like this? in Central America, I'm not able to meet you, or I'm not able to participate in the satsangs, or I'm not able to come frequently to the ashram. But he made sure things happen for me. I used to do the Guru Puja regularly for him, and several experiences I'm not able to. I even once I volunteered for the Bhavaspandana program, because in Bhavaspandana program in Triple I, Sadhguru will be there physically. So I would not miss an opportunity to go and see him. And then for once New Year, he gave a darshan for all of us. So I was present for that also. I made very good friends, friends who are very unconditional, you know. They don't expect anything from you. We are all there for one particular purpose. And the most important thing why I kept up with Isha practices is because in the Shambhavi program, he would tell us, you need to be a mother to the world. So that, you know, stayed with me internally, and I would feel that I'm a mother for every being around me, even people who are elder to me, or you know, a cat or a dog or anything. That motherhood quality will just burst open. So I'm not saying that without this practices such experiences can't happen, but it will be more deeper, you know. And even I would visit a lot of pilgrimage. I would go on a pilgrimage to a lot of temples, but I will always used to do this Isha yoga practices and then go. The experience will be so different, you know, so different. And if you go to a Mahasamadhi of a great guru, or if you go to a powerful Devi temple, the energy that you get will be, you know, you will get goosebumps. I can't explain in words. Each and every one of you have to experience that. Such kind of energy would happen. I feel everybody should do inner engineering in their life, and we are all very lucky to be living amongst Sadhguru, and he's with us right now. And everybody should make use of this opportunity to do a course, inner engineering course, and experience the energy. You will be having a lot of benefits physically and mentally once you keep up with the Kriya. Namaskaram.